Today we have a farting slime video. So if you like farting sounds, I guess stay here to watch. Okay, first up is our cherry Tootsie Roll slime. It says it's scented. I don't smell anything, but okay. Oh god. Okay. Oh my goodness. These are some crazy farts. Jeez, that was a loud one.
This is what we need to be doing after everything.
Okay. This is actually foul. These were some loud farts, dude. This is crazy. These are louder than my dad's. That's foul. Okay, why does the red one always have good farts? Okay, we're gonna do one more time of cherry. Oh. Get it, cherry, bro. Get it, girl. Bro ate lots. Bro ate all her fiber. Damn! We're gonna try vanilla again. This is crazy, bro. Okay. Airy one. One like my dad's. Very silent fart. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the fart video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it.